The Ukrainian army is using long-range missiles and unmanned aerial vehicles to hit Russian targets deep in the front line. The Ukrainian army struck a Russian military base deep in the front line with a massive explosion that could be seen hundreds of kilometers away. The target reportedly consisted of buildings and an adjacent airfield on the territory of the former Ukrainian Air Force Navigation Academy in the eastern city of Luhansk. The area was occupied by Moscow troops, who used it as their headquarters and logistics base after Russia's initial invasion of Ukraine in 2014. According to some reports, an aircraft repair and maintenance facility used by Russian forces was located a few hundred meters from the airport and was also targeted. The footage released shows flames reaching tens of meters in the night sky near the airport, as well as footage from the ground. Do you think the Ukrainian army's attacks on Russian targets are effective enough? What do you think about the developments on the front line?